LinkedIn just became even more essential for networking and career growth. Want to make your profile stand out? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile step by step. Now, let's get started. To begin, you want to open up any web browser and head over to linkedin.com, or you can also open the LinkedIn app. Make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account, click join in, enter your email and password, and then follow the prompts to verify your address. Now, once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you want to scroll all the way down and find the contact option. Tap on this pencil icon to edit. Now, you will find your profile URL. You want to tap on that. Now, you will find the option of edit your custom URL. Tap on this edit option. Now, you want to customize your URL. You want to make it simple, like linkedin.com/in/your name. Then tap on the save option. Now, it's going to be easy to share this on your resumes and business cards. Next thing you want to do is click on the profile icon, tap on add photo. Now tap on add profile photo option. Now you want to upload a clean, well-lit image with neutral background. This helps recruiters instantly recognize and trust you. Once that is done, tap on the save option. Now you want to tap on the background photo. Here you want to add a cover photo. Use a high-resolution image that reflects your industry, like a tech graphic if you are in IT or a city skyline if you work in finance. Now you want to tap on this pencil icon. Here, select headline. For headline, don't just list your job titles. You want to pack in the keywords and your unique value. For example, I'm going to type in digital marketing strategist, 7+ years driving 30% plus engagement growth, HubSpot certified. Now tap on save. Next, write your summary. For that, tap on add summary. Now we want to type in 3 to 5 sentence opening hook. Make sure to include who you are, what you do, and why it matters. Once that is done, tap on save. Now scroll down to the experience section. Here tap on add experience. Now for each role, you want to use action-oriented bullet points. Remove vague buzzwords. Keep the description concise and keywords rich. Then head over to add skills section. Here pick your top 5 to 10 hard skills, such as JavaScript, SEO, project management, and ask colleagues to endorse you for the ones that matters most. Now for recommendations, you want to click Ask for Recommendation. Choose a colleague or manager and include a brief personalized message explaining what you'd like them to highlight. And that's it. That's all it takes to build a polished professional LinkedIn profile from top to bottom, and that's all for this video. If this helped you out, tap like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips.